Yo, what's up, everybody? I'm back to the channel once again. So today I'm going to buy something like in Kolkata Bazar. So I'm just going right now. The one. Biar saya tahu. Bisa. Cross hari ba vlogging klep nih kita. So you are walking today because we didn't take car by going back. Buy clothes. Ini pantalon bro. Next market we are trying to enter right now. So this is finally we reached in Pantalon right now. So we're gonna enter right now. Small. Girls long pant or too much big. Second hand man. So we get out from this shopping mall right now. So once again back. More. So way back to the Bazar. No, this is summer Bazar. Right now we're Bombix. And downside you can see the vegetables. The things a lot of people right over here today. So this is upper part. We're just on the upper part. Scarf right over here. We back to this shopping mall right now. Just going back. Very much. We're back right now. Again, we're going back to this shopping mall. So yeah, guys. And this is my partner today. They are buying things and mukbang. And you could subscribe his channel, mukbang channel. We cross right now. Take his back. Lari, so we're waiting to pack right now. We're going to take the packs. We're back from this B mark right now. So we're gonna go to the home right now. Yeah, this is the street right over here. So we are going to buying the things right now. This is utensils. So guys, another way back from the. Oh yeah, guys. We already across KFC. There one is KFC. That's it. And this is restaurants, street restaurants.
sana lagi zero no iPhone lah sidra auto stable Coba hah? Angge, no bolok aja lah sih Allah sih ya. Hai guys, sengti bolok mana tadi? Sini berani memang, sini kalau sampai malah. Acha, tak tini tama shopping kan isa deh, kuliah. Tama shopping kan isa deh.
Tama shopping kan? Ini di nanya ini.
Acha, hafta long desan kini onek kaisa jaga dorone berai
Guys,
guys. Tahu mana deh, ekdom. Aku tuh lasih dulu bakpat sih bakpal.
Apa sama kamu mau tampil sudah gede. Kerja apa? Masalah
Tuh ikhlas sudah nang tuh ikhlas lagi ya, gara. Seng bisa kelihatan fresh kelihatan beli video ya, penasaran, kilo guys.